Hello everybody. Now we're going to talk about filling in some of the gaps. Because Shelly, and definitely not me, definitely only Shelly, is a perfectionist and has to have everything perfect. That's so my problem. We have these gaps right here on the supports on one side in some places, and we could really struggle and make that perfect. We decided to just let it go because this was so solid, because over here on that side, that is pretty much perfect. So just because we want to fill in the gaps and prevent moisture from getting inside, we are going to use some of the sawdust that we created from all of our work with these cedar branches. We're going to take a handful or so, put in this bucket, and then I read this somewhere. I honestly haven't tried it. And I think that might be too much, but we don't know. We're going to try. And then what do you got? Some sort of wood glue? I read that we can...
Not Lowe's brand, sorry. Or it might be, I don't even know.
I once read that you can make wood filler with sawdust and wood glue. Or even Elmer's school glue. We're going to try that. And we figured that using this glue with a handful of sawdust and kind of mixing that up and then shoving that into this hole right here is going to be, even if it doesn't work perfectly like we'd like, it's going to be better than leaving a gap.
And we're going to make it, we're using this really fine stuff that was created by basically drilling and making holes and everything that we've done. So it's very, very fine and beautiful, which we're going to mix with glue. It's not going to be pretty after that.
My first thought was when we drilled out the holes, we have all this other fine sawdust right here from drilling out the holes. It's even more fine. The true woods person, I think, would suggest that we use the super fine stuff that's right here. We have all this left over. We don't have a lot of fine stuff. And because, Shelly, that feels really light.
It's paper light.
It's paper light. And because of that, we're just going to use it because, like I said, we believe it's better than nothing.
Yep.
So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to try it first and see how it works. And if it works, we're going to film it.